Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, Orlebogile Mufokeng and his girlfriend Nolofatso finally are comfortable now with posting themselves on social media. And I'm like, y'all look so cute. Like they were not like this. Okay, he was not like this with Letawa, and I'm so sorry, guys, that I keep bringing this poor girl up, but she is associated with Orlebogile. And by the way, she doesn't seem much bothered. She's busy with brand deals. She's working. She's busy. I don't think she's really bothered by this. Which I don't think that anyone would be okay with being heartbroken or breaking up with your boyfriend. But I just feel like I'm seeing the light. Like these two are good for each other. These two are good for each other. They are still young. Like like they're good for each other. You understand? So please guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. And also I like the way Relebogile is looking at her girl. At his girl, sorry. Yeah, that is a look of looks. So please guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.